¡Hola, amigos! ¿Cómo estás?
Picture, show it. Picture.
Hello! So in today's video we are going to be playing What's in the Box.
We're gonna be putting all different type of stuff where each level is gonna get harder and harder.
Let's say something is in the box. Either Tutu or Everksanchez, when it is their turn, they will put their hand in here, touch it, and try to guess what is in the box.
And at the end, we're gonna have a big surprise for when they're finished.
And now let's bring them out.
Can I go first? No, can I go?
So Everksanchez, Tutu, you guys are gonna put your hands inside here, okay? But Everksanchez, if you see what's inside the box through here, you can't tell Tutu. It's a surprise. She has to guess, okay?
Should we
And
put
Tutu,
a paper? Like to cover?
Well, no, we'll just move it. But Tutu, when it's your turn, or when it's Everksanchez's turn, you can't tell her what's inside, okay? She has to guess. It's a surprise. You guys can't look at it. You just have to touch it, and you guys have to guess what it is, okay?
Hola, yo soy Tutu. Y es esto.
Pretend this is a practice run.
My Tutu cute. I think it is a koala.
Yeah, you think so? Who knows? Ready for the next one?
I don't know, Tutu. I need to get.
Turn around.
Is this water?
Touch it.
Yes.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Oh dear.
Is it squishy?
I don't know.
Ok.
Okay.
¿Qué es?
I don't know.
What's your
Okay.
final guess? You're saying it's water?
I think it's water.
Don't-
Is it for you? It's candy.
Mm.
I think it's candy.
¿Quién sabe? I don't know.
Is it candy?
¿Candy de qué?
From the rainbow. Is this a squishy? Is this you? Is it grandma?
No lo saques.
You need to
Okay,
get.
Tutu, turn around now. Turn around so we
Ahora sigue Everlik.
I think it's my koala. It's definitely my koala, I know it. My koala's feels not that squishy, but it's really soft and I found eyes. I think it's Princess Belle. I think it's marshmallows.
What is that?
Why is this so?
Ooh, what is that?
I don't know. I think it's like mustard.
No saques la mano. ¿Qué es?
Barbecue sauce, I think.
Barbecue sauce?
Actually, no. I think it's chile.
Ok, a ver ese. Cuidado que te muerde, Cuidado que te muerde.
Don't look.
Cuidado que te muerde. No,
look.
no puedes ver.
Careful because it has teeth.
Nomás ten cuidado, ¿ok?
I think it's cuchillo.
Put it
No.
in there, be careful.
Y si se mueve, no tengas miedo, ¿ok? Nomás dale.
I want to do this.
Ándale,
I don't want to do this one.
ándale.
Come on, Everly.
Come on, it's okay.
I'm scared.
You're brave.
Dale,
Touch it very carefully if you want.
Okay, just be gentle.
dale
Come on,
pues.
Mama. You know.
You'll be fine.
Nomás si se mueve poquito, no tengas miedo, ¿ok? Dale.
I'm scared.
No puedes ver.
Put your hands.
Dale.
I'm scared for this round.
You're safe.
Just put
I'm
your
here
hand-
with
I
you.
think
You're safe. Dale. Yo te defiendo, yo te defiendo. Si algo pasa, yo aquí le agarro.
It's okay, it's sleeping.
Si,
Put your hand.
si algo pasa, aquí agarro eso. ¿Ok?
Put your hands.
Dale. Dale. Una. Respira. Y mete las manos rápido. Una, dos. Dos.
No, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that.
Okay, you quit?
I don't quit. But
Okay.
I still
One.
don't want to do that.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
No, no.
Ándale.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Ándale. Una,
Come on, Annelek, it's sleeping.
dos.
It's not gonna bite you, it's sleeping.
Does it have teeth actually?
Put your hands.
No,
I feel like it's a cuchillo.
Put your hands.
Dale. No puedes ver. Dale, mete las manos. Mételas, no te va
No,
a
I'm
pasar.
scared.
No te va a pasar nada.
I feel like I want to do it.
Ya ella lo hizo.
Yeah, it's sleeping.
It's not moving at all. Yeah.
Everlik, no, please.
No, I'm scared.
Come on, because the faster you do this, the closer you get to your surprise.
Yeah, come on, Everlik.
Scared.
Put your hand, just
Put your hand, but don't turn your head.
Dale.
Look at the camera.
Come on.
Oh my goodness, I'm so scared.
Be brave. Dale.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
You have to look at the camera.
Mm,
Put your
guys,
hand.
I'm scared.
Everlik, come on, mama.
Dale.
Don't look
Oh
at
my god.
1,
it. Disqualified.
2,
I know, but they
3,
actually stopped.
4,
Stop.
5, 6,
No, I'm scared.
8, 9,
Don't look.
10. You quitting?
No.
Don't
Yes.
look at it. Don't look at it.
9,
Just put your hands.
8,
Look over here.
Siete.
I'm
Look at
scared.
the camera. Put your
Seis.
hands in.
5,
I
4,
touched it. I
No.
think.
No.
didn't.
Oh wait.
5, 4,
Hands down, a little more
Tres.
down.
Dos.
Down. More this way. There you go, you touched it.
I touched it. Okay.
What is it?
I think it's the polvo that my mom puts in her water.
A ver, tócalo otra vez.
I'm scared.
It was my hand. That was my hand. No, no volte. That was my
Fine,
hand.
I'll try. I'll try.
That was my hand. Nah, I'm not gonna put my hand. Dale.
It's a liga.
You think so?
Definitely a liga.
Ok, volteate, volteate.
It's definitely.
Volteate.
You guys scared me so bad. Why?
Volteate.
Don't grab it, okay?
It's my dad's hand. Oh, it's Tutu's candy.
You think so?
Uh-huh. Yummy.
Don't say anything. I'm just telling her. What is it, Everlik?
You don't know?
It's really fun.
Okay, take your hand out.
Okay, turn around.
Volteate.
Tell us what you think looking that way.
I think it's.
What is it? You need to know. It's like
Volteate para allá, mi amor.
I think
Come on,
it's.
Mama. Oh my gosh.
oh my gosh, she's not gonna know it. I can't believe it.
What is it?
What is it, mama?
Oh, I don't know.
Your eyes.
Close your eyes, Everlik.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Mete la mano. Ahora sí, ¿qué es? ¿Qué es? ¿Qué es? ¿No saben qué es?
Oh no, they're not
No?
gonna know it.
Okay.
No!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh!
What is it?
Everlik, yours came with this one too.
Oh, I can with that too.
What is that? What is that?
What
is it?
What is that, mama? No, you.
It's like
What is it?
That's a photo
Hey,
bus?
explícame qué es eso.
it's like these slime slimes that are PeachyBbies.
PeachyBbies?
Kirate, what is that? Is that only for Tutu?
No, this is for both of you guys. This is to make it not sticky.
Wow.
Look, you can put this in your
Oh, it's
slime.
activated.
Yeah. Okay.
I can't open it. Oh, wait, I forgot the idea.
Are you gonna flatten
Are
it?
you gonna do
It
this?
smells good.
It
smells so good.
Like,
Ooh, it smells like
Oh,
cake.
it's sticky.
We're gonna do a little swirl.
What are you doing,
Échale
Tutu?
actor, tampoco.
¿Qué estás haciendo, Tutu? Explain to me what you're doing.
I'm making. Oh, it's
I know,
clear
I'm-
slime.
What hurts?
Yeah.
I didn't. Oh my god. Now mix it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel yours.
Okay, put it. Everly, put yours back in here. And let me do a little swirl on top.
I think I know how to do swirls.
I know. I'm just.
I think you have to make the activator more.
Wait, we'll put it once here. We'll put it once.
Wait, can I put the activator on?
You already did.
It's just a spoon.
You like
You
it?
go like that. And then show papi before you mix it.
Oh my
It
god.
smells so good.
And then mix it, and then you can put it more spice. It came with this mochi, this bracelet,
Can I have the bracelet?
and 2 stickers.
I want the PeachyBbies one. I want this one.
But Tutu, you have this fruit peachy.
Oh, that one's so cool.
And then there's a, you want the bracelet? Tutu, alright, next time I give you the mochi, okay?
Is that mine?
No, you wanted the bracelet, remember?
Can you help it with me? I have to take it out.
This is
I think I need a more activator. Mine is different. Nice thing. I was
Is this
seeing
one
this
spray at a time?
squishy.
One spray.
Is squishy? Lejos.
Yeah. Now you have to mix it.
Look, puppy.
Wow.
Look, mine is stretchy. Mine is doing.
Okay, now you want to know qué había en las cajas?
Yeah, what? I got it right.
Koala.
Ooh, I got it right.
Candy.
Yes, I got it right. Princess Belle. Diga. Yes, I got it
The
right.
spider.
No. What are those?
Pink peanut.
What are those?
Key?
And yeah, that's it.
And what else?
Last but not least.
Last but not least,
Eggs. Ew.
¿Qué era?
Eggs.
A ver, tóquenlo pues otra vez.
popped it.
Ah, estoy jugando, tóquenlo. ¿Les gustó su slime?
Yeah. Yeah. Did Sophia get her beads?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it came right now.